till that lucky day, you know darn well. Oh baby, I can't give you anything but love. So the classic from, well, definitely done by Ella Fitzgerald and probably loads of other people as well. And let's get right into it. So it's a song in two parts, A and a B part, and they're pretty much the same apart from the last bits of each part. So it's based around this descend here. I can't give you anything but love, baby. And it repeats that for the next part. So what's going on there? So this chord here is an F with an A in the bass. So it's this same chord, but it's allowing you to do this rundown into the diminished -7 and then 7 and 9 there, but you can play the 7 whichever you like, and then back into the F. So it's an F. If you don't know much about chord theory, it's an F because you've got another F. You've got an F here. That's the root of that chord that I don't play very well. But all you're going to do here is you're going to pick up just 3 notes from that version of the chord, and then add the A in the bass here. So that's what you've got. Get that finger out of the way. You've got that baby there, that one there, that one on there, and then this comes back up there. If you don't play the chord, you can just stay on this F here. Descend down. But if you're going to play this type of music, then this chord is well worth learning because it allows you to allows you to move in the -7, say there, move into the 7 and 9, -7 and 9, and into the -6 as well. And it's just by moving fingers, these 2 fingers there, or this finger here. And you can get loads of variations just out of that single position. And it moves up, you know. If you want to move it up, that becomes a G. So it's a G with a B in the bass, and this is a great chord. Particularly because you're playing it in the heart of the guitar here as well, and it just sounds nice. It gives it a richness. So you go from that, and then you descend into the diminished chord here, which is pretty simple really. In this move, just take your finger off, little finger, and move these 2 down. Yeah, and just play the top strings, just play the top 4 really. So then -7 there, which is just normal chord there. So take off a little finger. Take off that finger, so you're just left with the 1 finger on. That's a -7, and then you can go down into the C7 here. Or you can play the C7 and 9, which I think is better. So again, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I use this chord quite a bit. So that's the 7, C7, you put a normal C on, put a little finger on there. That's the C, C7. But 7 and 9 is just the same 2 things, but you're just moving up to here. Instead of back here, you're fretting this string here, and you get 7 and 9. Which you can move to a normal 7. And while we're here, I might as well show you this quick bit of turnaround, which you can use as an intro or a turnaround. It's the same as this one, the descend here, but you're just doing it, moving up from the F here to the diminished there, same shape, to the -7, to the 7 and 9. So that's it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then repeat. Now second time around, so I'll have to play it. that's it. So then you go to F7, which is F. Take off a little finger. That's the F7. I play this over F7 here, which is the gypsy one, which we won't get into because you're using your thumb and everything, but it's just you can move from the So yeah, move from this F7, and you can just stay on this F7 here until you move up to the B. But nicer if you actually slide up and play, so you go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is that 7 and 9 that we played the P at, that I showed you before. Let's come from the C, you're on the F here, so you've got an F7 here, and at the 8th fret, the F, you've got this 7 and 9 shape that I showed you down here, so you bring it up there. You can just stay on F, even, but F7, but if you can go... And it just it gives you a bit of variation, instead of just staying on the same chord all the time. That's what jazz people like to do, really, I suppose. You're squeezing more chords in. You can just stay on one and go just... But... And the music's moving around then, isn't it? And you can use them as you wish interchangeably, play around with them. But what I do is I just go, yeah, I just no, I slide up to it. Then you're into the B. So there, so you're in the B flat, sorry, and then you just do this rundown because you go into G7, so it just allows you to do it. So as soon as you start moving, take off a little finger and you go into 7. Pretty simple there, really. One more time. There you go. And that's the A part. So just final quick run through that second bit. So you're on B, run down into G7, and back to C7 and 9. And if you want to change to C7, so you can do. Gives it more colour again. Then you're back here for the B part, which is the same. And then this time you go into the 7 straight away, the F7. And I play it there again, I do that again, so you like that. And then you're into B, flat. And you just stay on that for a little while, so it's... Then it's... Till that lucky day, yeah, you know, down well, baby, I can't give you anything but love. So you'd be back there. So you're on the B there, and then when it gets to the bit, till that lucky, and you can change that to a 7 if you like, till that lucky day, and then that's a diminished there. The A sharp diminished, B flat, whatever you want to call it. Diminished, which we showed you back up here again. So it's that chord there, but you're up. So it's till that lucky, you know, down well. Back into that F with the A in the bass. Oh baby, which allows you to drop into the 7/9, D7/9. Minor 7, give you anything, 7/9, and back home. So let's go around it once. I can't give you anything but love. I'll slow down a bit, baby. That's the only thing I've plenty of. oh baby. The F7, slide up, 7 and 9, B, then the rundown. G7, and then back to C, 7 and 9. Then repeat, part B. Then into the F7 now. Then you're setting B flat here. Until that lucky day, the diminished, you know darn well. F with the A in the bass, B, D7 and 9, A minor 7, G minor 7 even, C7 and 9, F. There's a nice little addition you can add to it as well when you're coming in for the finish, so you can go, so when you get onto that G minor 7 to finish, you go to the C, so you go to C, 7 and 9, then you slide it all up. And how that would work if you're singing it, so it's, what is that now? I can't give you anything, I won't give you anything, I can't give you anything but love. And there you have it. Pretty authentic if you ask me. This is one of the first songs I learned when I was trying to play this style of music, and I played totally different. But this is, I reckon, original, pretty much original, how they kind of played it. Anyway. So yeah, if you like, and yeah, feel free to subscribe. There's going to be loads more nice music from me and my beautiful guitar. So yeah, this is me checking out. I'll catch you next time.